everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here to discuss about LiFi. LiFi is the short form of light fidelity. It was introduced by Professor Harold Haas in 2011 in TED Global Talk in Edinburgh. It is a wireless communication technology which utilizes light to transmit data. LiFi transmits data through light waves on the electromagnetic spectrum. So it is completely free from harmful radio frequency radiation, which is no harm. LiFi in simple words, a visible light communication technology that uses light from LEDs to deliver internet. LiFi, the use of light waves to generate a wireless internet connection, could become the main source of connectivity in buildings within next 10 years, according to WiScore. Essentially, it will be a game changer using LEDs. The Russian company Stinscommon is selling its LiFi based solution in US, Israel, China and other countries. Professor Harold Haas and his team of researchers are pioneers in the field of LiFi. They began their research into VLC technology as early as 2006. LiFi is expected to be 10 times cheaper than Wi-Fi and also 100 times faster than Wi-Fi. Using the visible light spectrum, it can transmit data and unlock capacity which is 10 times greater than available within the radio spectrum. But it also has some disadvantages. Light cannot pass through objects. A major challenge it faces is the receiving device will transmit back to transmitter. High installation cost of the VLC systems. Interferences the external sources like sun, light, normal bows, opaque materials can disturb it. Thank you.